What's up, people? No matter how good your gear is, sometimes Mr. Murphy throws you a curveball and your lovely down jacket ends up ripped or with a hole in it. Really disappointing, right? Now maybe you were sitting a little bit too close to the fire, or you jumped that barbed wire fence while wearing your jacket. Whatever the cause, you're a responsible adventurer and you're not going to just biff it in a landfill. Oh no, you're going to fix this bad boy. So what you need is an alcohol swab, some repair patches, either pre-cut patches or a roll, and then you're also going to need some scissors. First, you're going to use the swab, the alcohol swab, to clean the fabric around the tear. Get rid of all the dirt and the grime. If there's any long, loose threads, you'll cut those off. So now it's time to stick on the patch. We like to use Gear 8 Tenacious tape because this is super easy to use and it works really well. You can either use pre-cut patches or cut one yourself out of the roll. So when you cut your own patch, make sure you round the corners nicely. Look at that, a work of art. Then you peel off the backer and make sure that the patch covers the tear really well. Center it, stick it over it, and start to apply pressure. Work your way outwards from the center. Make sure you don't leave any bubbles. It's nice and smooth. After 24 hours, the adhesive will have reached full strength, and this is a repair that will last you a long time. So now you're good to go again.